Hey there! Welcome to the ultimate guide to the new Ninja Crispi Pro Countertop Glass Cooking System. In this video, you'll learn how to get the most out of your Crispi Pro system. Let's get started with what's in the box. Inside your Ninja Crispi Pro box, you'll find the powerful 1,800-watt cooking system, a removable modular base, one 2.5 quarts medium batch clean crisp glass container, one 6 quarts XL batch clean crisp glass container, as well as 2 crisper plates and storage lids for each container. It's designed to give you everything you need to prep, cook, serve, store, and re-crisp in just one system. To get started, place the clean crisp container of your choice into the base, making sure the base is locked into the correct position for this glassware size. There are 3 positions for the modular base. For the 6-quart container, place the base in the lowest position. For the 4-quart container, place the base in the middle position. And finally, for the 2.5-quart container, place the base at the topmost position. Once the base is in the correct position, simply slide the glassware into place and push back towards the spine until it clicks into place. Be sure to only use the Ninja Crispi Pro with Ninja-approved Clean Crisp glassware. Ninja's Clean Crisp glassware is thermal shock resistant, so you can go from frozen to crispy in minutes. Plus, it's designed with heat-safe feet, so you can safely set it on granite, laminate, marble, and butcher block. Your 2.5-quart medium batch container is perfect for everyday cooking and re-crisping, while the 6-quart XL batch container is perfect for making larger meals like a 7.5 roast chicken, which can feed up to 10 people. Both containers are also equipped with crisper plates designed to support airflow, so you get that perfect crisp. The included BPA-free and dishwasher-safe lids allow for neat nesting and stacking when it's time to store everything away. Your Ninja Crispi Pro has 6 functions: air fry, max crisp, re-crisp, roast, bake or proof, and dehydrate. Ninja has made the process super simple. Just pick a function and adjust the time. For more tips and recipes, check out the included inspiration guide or visit us at ninjakitchen.com. Dive in and happy cooking!